Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Agedashi tofu, a popular Japanese dish consisting of deep fried tofu and a umami-packed sauce. To begin, we're going to be removing any excess moisture from the tofu. We're going to do this by wrapping the tofu up in some paper towel, adding a plate on top for extra weightage, and then let this sit for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Fast forward 20 minutes later and we're just going to check on our tofu. And a final little squeeze. Next we're going to roll the tofu in some cornstarch, ensuring that each side is covered well, and then shaking off any excess cornstarch. And then just repeat this step for the remaining tofu. Straight away we're going to heat up some oil and then deep fry the tofu for 2 minutes or until golden on the first side. Flip them over and deep fry for another 2 minutes. Once they're nice and golden, we're going to transfer them over to a paper towel to drain. Looking pretty! Let's get started on the sauce. We're going to be adding 1 cup of dashi, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, half a tablespoon of sugar, and mix that well. Bring it to a boil and then turn off the heat and set aside. For the toppings, we're going to be chopping up some spring onion. We're going to peel our daikon, grate our daikon, and then squeezing out any excess moisture. And lastly, grating some fresh ginger. Now it's time to put everything together. We're going to get the deep fried tofu. We're going to get our little saucy sauce, grab our fresh daikon, get some fresh ginger, a confetti of chopped spring onion, and then last but not least, we're going to shower it with some bonito flakes. Let's eat. And there you guys have it. That's my Agedashi tofu. Crispy on the outside and silky smooth on the inside. Loaded with lots of freshness from the daikon, the ginger, and a slight sweetness from the sauce itself. What's even better is when the tofu has had a minute to absorb that sauce, resulting in a slightly gelatinous bite. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. As always, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below on what you'd like to see me cook next.